Unit 3, Section 8.3 Worked Examples. Determine the area and perimeter of the quadrilateral. Note that the figure is not drawn to scale. This is a parallelogram. The area is base times height. In this figure, the base is 19 and the height is 4 inches. The area is 76 square inches. The perimeter is the distance around the figure, 19 plus 9 plus 19 plus 9. (56 inches). Determine the area and circumference of the circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared. For this circle, r equals 11 centimeters. Area equals pi r squared. The radius is 11. 11 squared is 121. I'm going to multiply 121 times pi to get the area. (380.13). Centimeters squared. The circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r, 2 times 11 are 22 pi. (69.12 centimeters). I'm going to suggest when you work problems that entail pi that you leave the multiplication by pi until the very last step. Use the Pythagorean theorem to determine the length of the unknown side of the triangle, determine the perimeter of the triangle, and determine the area of the triangle. We'll use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of side C, which is the hypotenuse, so 24 squared plus 32 squared is equal to C squared. 576 plus 1024 equals C squared. I simplified the left side. I have 1600 squared equals C squared. And if I take the square root of 1600, I find the length of side C, which is 40, and it's yards. We can find the perimeter by adding the length of the side, so 24 plus 32 plus 40. (96 yards). And finally, I can find the area, 1/2 of the base times the height, 1/2 times 24 times 32. (384). And this is in yards, and remember this is going to be square units. Determine the shaded area. We have a circle inside of a square. We can find the area of the square and the area of the circle, and then subtract the area of the circle from the area of the square to determine the shaded area. Notice the radius of the circle is 3 feet, which is half the length of a side, so each side of the square must be 6 feet. And so the area of the square must be 36. And this is in feet, so it's square feet. And then for the circle, the radius is 3, so we have pi r squared, or 9 pi. (28.27). So the shaded area is going to be the difference between 36 and 28.27. (7.73). square feet.